Hey guys, my name's Amber and this is my daughter and lovely assistant Abigail, and today we're going to be showing you how to make slime with liquid starch. So first we want to put a half a cup of glue, school glue, in our bowl here. Is what we currently have. After you get the glue in the bowl, this is the part of the step that you want to add any kind of food color or glitter or whatever you would like to add to your slime. And we are going to make ours sparkly slime. And so she's going to get that put in there and get it stirred up. And we're going to take 1/2 cup of water and add to our 1/2 cup of glue and whatever add-ins you decide to put in your mixture.
Okay.
Yes. All right, this is step number 3, and we're going to and this is our last step for step 4. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of this liquid starch. And
1/4 cup liquid starch. Oh my gosh, no. Mommy is busy. Mama, watch me shoot the shotgun thing.
we will start mixing our slime to see if we need to add to our consistency here. All right, you're good. Hello, Amber Stokes again, and I am reflecting on my how-to video and just how that whole process went. Actually making the videos of my video was on how to make slime, and I think that making the video itself was pretty simple because it was basically, I just had a recipe, I was showing each step in clips as I was doing it. The difficulty I had, or that I found, was when I was actually trying to get all of my clips put together in a video. The screencast-o-matic version that the students are able to get, the free version, it doesn't allow you to add multiple clips. So I had trouble and had to be creative in how to get all of this together. I actually ended up uploading the videos onto Google and then making a movie out of the clips. So that's what I'm going to have to submit. But the task itself was okay. The difficulty was in using the post-production software to try to get the assignment completed. As far as typing out the script and everything, what I actually ended up doing was taking my video and holding it up to the mic on my computer and allowing it to dictate to Google Documents, and it typed out my script for me. I learned this after I had already tried typing out a couple of them on my own, and it was just so tedious, and I'm like, why am I doing this? Today's technology, I should just, let it talk and dictate at the same time. So I think as far as what I did well, I think the the video itself, as far as me making the slime, me and my daughter making the slime, that went well. I was a little frustrated when I was trying to make the video just because it was the end of the day and I was tired, and I probably should have waited until I was in a better mood. But I think overall the task itself was good, and my daughter loved it. She is still playing with the slime today. So let's see what surprised me. I think what surprised me was, so while we're not able to join different clips, the program does still give you lots of different options for editing your videos. So I was actually pretty surprised that for a free version of a software, how much versatility and creativity it gives the user. And even to subscribe to this software, it would be like $24 for the year for a teacher subscription. And I think that's fantastic. I would gladly pay that if I felt like I was going to use this for more than just this one class. But I think overall the assignment was really fun. I enjoyed doing it, and now I know how to make slime. Thanks.